Hello, hello, hello. A big warm welcome to each and everyone watching this amazing show today. And I want to first wish each and everyone watching today from YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook a very happy Shivratri. Today is the auspicious day. And I thought on this auspicious day, with the blessings of Lord Shiva, we should invite two super achievers. And my friends, they are from the Middle East. First is a lady, a very young lady. She is exceptional in her work. Her name is Kiara. And then equally impressive and inspiring, we have Anirudh from Doha, Qatar. So without further ado, let's invite them. Let's first start with Kiara because she's a lady in the house. So let's invite her first. So let me see if I can do that right now. There we go. Hi Kiara, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
Very good, very good. So, in brief, I think you're a super achiever. So, thank you for coming to our show today and
Thank
giving
you
us
very
your
much.
valuable time. So, tell
Thank
me a
you, sir.
little bit about yourself and about your achievements. I think you are the youngest TEDx speaker ever, right?
Yes, I am not only youngest TEDx speaker, I am youngest nonstop book reader, youngest TEDx speaker, and youngest keynote speaker at World Expo 2020 Dubai at the age of 6.
Wow. But look at that. All inspiring works done by you. So, what did you speak on at TEDx, Kiara?
In TEDx, I spoke about unboxing curiosity. I spoke about my family history, and I started reading at the age of 2, and it's going great.
Wow. So, which is your favorite genre of books? Is it fiction, non-fiction?
I love all the books. I love all sorts of books: fiction, non-fiction, science, history. No matter what, I love it. I love all
And you're a
sorts of
non-stop reader as well, right?
Yes, you're right, sir.
Okay, so tell
And these
me,
stories are not just to read and forget. We can learn the moral values from them as well. Like from Robin Hood, we learn how to help the underprivileged. Shooting Star, we learn the art of great hospitality. And from Lion and the Mouse, we learn that we should never disrespect anyone because of their size and always treat everyone with love and respect.
absolutely, Kiara. That was very inspiring and motivating personally to me. So tell me, which was the last book you read, and tell me the lesson you got from that book also.
Izzy Howell, because they talk about romance, and they tell about how they used to live, they roads, constructions, and anything. They even used to write with stone tablets, with wax tablets, and they heated it to erase it off.
Okay, so do you know the Roman numerals, Kiara?
Oh yes, I 2 I 3 I I know a few.
Superb, Kiara. So how? Tell me about your interest in Vedic maths. I think you have done few of our lessons already. Tell me something about that. What do you like about Vedic math? What do you think about it?
I love maths, especially my teacher, my Vedic teacher, Arpita. She's a very nice teacher, and also she's very patient because I'm a very talkative child. And I love her maths way, the way how she encouraged me to learn maths. Like I learned a few more ways how to multiply by 11, 12 in different sorts of ways. So I'm really grateful to my teacher Arpita for that, my Vedic teacher.
Oh, that's so nice. Let me invite. At the meantime, let's take a short 15-second break where I must say hi to all our viewers today. We have super achievers on this grand day, auspicious day of Shivratri. So there's Kiara, and let's welcome Anirudh also. Hi
Hi,
Anirudh,
sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Very good, very good. So at this point, I would also like to invite questions about life or inspiration in general. Some questions, if you have, viewers, feel free to let us know on the chat box. Okay. So there's a question for you. Let me see. There's already a few questions coming up. Let me just bring them up for you today. So Ganesh Biradar says hi, and Hitesh Daya ask meaning of Kiara. Kiara, what does your name mean?
It's the Irish name, God's precious gift. It's a Punjabi name kind of. Kiara means God's precious gift, and Kaur means princess. That's my
Super.
full name.
Anirudh, what does your name mean?
Um, my name is a type of god. So my
Lovely, lovely.
mom made me as one type of god.
So we have all gods and goddesses today on this auspicious day on our show. So that's very, very blessings for us. So Anirudh, tell me something about yourself and the records that you have made.
My name is Anirudh and I study in Doha British School. I am 9 years old currently,
Yeah.
and,
And you have two records, right?
and I am an ICOD Global Hackathon finalist.
Wow. Wow. What did you do there?
It's a kind of coding competition where you
Wow.
have to program a robot.
So did you make your own robot kind of a thing?
No, it's like they already gave you a robot and you have to code it to collect some coins. It's
Wow.
kind of like a game.
Wow. So you are very interested in Harvard, I believe. And you passed the Python code, beginner's code from Harvard. Is that right?
Yes, sir, it's right.
Tell me more about that. How was the experience?
It was real. Yeah, I felt really happy,
Superb.
but
So
at
do
the
you like?
same time, it's really difficult.
Okay, okay. And you are awaiting your confirmation from the Guinness Records book holder also. Tell us about that record.
One of the records I made was telling 105 dinosaurs' name in 1 minute and 30 seconds, and the
Wow.
other one is adding 1 to 50 non-stop.
Wow. That's amazing and fascinating that you can add so quickly. And what tool do you use to do it? Is it the Abacus or some other tool?
I used Abacus at that time.
Okay, okay. So I now have questions for both of you, okay? So you got to tell me your answers. So first to Kiara. Kiara, do you love maths or no?
Yes, sir. I do love maths, and my teacher, Arpita, my Vedic Maths, she is a great teacher. She is awesome in Vedic Maths.
Wow. And Anirudh, what about yourself?
I seriously love math.
So what is the best topic you liked in Vedic math? I think you're doing the course with us also. Which is
My
the best
favorite
topic
one,
you liked?
my favorite one is the vertical and crosswise multiplication method. You can do almost any multiplication calculations with it.
Wow. And who inspires you the most? Another question we just came in. Kiara, who inspires you the most?
Oh, everybody in my family, my parents, teachers, and my grandparents. I owe everything to my grandparents,
Yeah.
and not only maths but reading too. Because when I have trouble in pronouncing a few of the words, they like make it much easier. They make everything easier. To make me smile and make me happy. They also make me read a lot, and I'm really
Wow.
glad they were my grandparents. Parents.
What about you, Anirudh? Who inspires you the most?
Everyone in my family inspired me. Like they told me that I'll be the best mathematician in the world. So I
Wow.
became really hardworking in maths
Wow.
and
Wow.
joined Vedic maths.
Superb. Superb. That's really nice, Anirudh. And okay, guys, another question. It's a maths question, okay? Try and answer that mentally. How much is 54 times 11? Answer it, guys. Come on. 54 times 11. A simple math sum. Use a multiplication by 11 rule, guys.
594.
Good job, Kiara. That was fantastic. Yeah, Anirudh, why did you get stuck?
594 for me.
Pardon me?
594 for me too.
Yeah, that's the right answer. Good job. That was fantastic. Okay, so tell us about a favorite book, Anirudh, of yours.
I love non-fiction books a lot.
Which one? Which one is your favorite?
Like books of like animals facts, and my favorite one till now is the book about great white sharks.
But I thought you like stuff about dinosaurs.
I also love it about them too.
Okay, okay. So which schools do you go to, Anirudh, in Doha?
Um, I go to the Doha British School only.
Kiara, what about you?
Well, mine is history, the genius of Romans,
Uh-huh.
written by the Howell. They talk
Uh-huh.
about all sorts of things about the Romans, their roads, their food, their their vehicles, sometimes a little bit the schools and many things.
We got a message for Anirudh and Kiara from Arpita, who's just greeting you right now. She's watching you live. And then we have a message from Hitesh Daya again. Anirudh is a great, yeah. Hope at some time my kids will reach to some good stage like these cute kids. Absolutely, Hitesh ji. And then we have a message from Kanishka Man. These kids are our future. Of course, you are the future. And it's our job to nurture you guys so that you become responsible citizens in the world today. There's a message by Nishtha Bindra. She said, really appreciate for this great session. And Arpita again, who just watched you, she says, I'm so proud to be the teacher of you too. So that's fantastic, guys. You guys are doing great. So, Anirudh, what do you want to be in life? What is your aim to be in life? Tell me that. Have you thought something now?
Yes, sir. I want to be a scientist. That I want to go to Kepler 452b. But in reality, it takes almost 30,000 years to go there with the fastest spaceship in the world. So I want to
Wow.
invent something much faster than that.
Wow. Wow. And what would we call that? What would we call that? Like a name for the fastest ship like that?
I haven't thought a name for that yet.
Okay. Let's go to Kiara. Kiara, what do you want to be in life?
For me, I will like to be a leader of a country because I would like to guard my country and help the underprivileged. So I want to, and for me, I think the underprivileged people will have free health care, free education, and they will have everything for free, and food free, books also, education free books, everything will for the underprivileged people will be free. So
Wow. That's such a vision you have about your future, Kiara, and I'm so very happy
sure.
and inspired by your thoughts, especially. And it's a great learning from me as well that we should all do something about the underprivileged.
And also, I'm a strong supporter of women empowerment, and may I tell you something about it.
Yeah,
The basis of women empowerment lies in getting an equal opportunity to young girls in terms of health, education, decision making, professional opportunities, and wages. And empowering women isn't only empowering girls and women, but it's sharing an equal responsibility and a healthy relationship between the men and the women in the society.
so I just want to that's a great thought, Kiara. I want to take you to maths now. let's talk a little bit about maths. So, what is the main difficulty you find in maths amongst yourself and your friends? Main difficulty, a problem you feel in maths? Do you hate it because of its maths anxiety, the fear of maths? How do you guys feel? Tell me about that.
No, sir, I don't have any problems. But the main thing is if I know the technique, me and my friends know the technique, I'll do it like very fast.
Okay,
And
so then,
there's no reason to be anxious about maths. It's really, really simple. And you can do almost anything in the world with it.
wow, wow. I mean, I'm spellbound by the power of these amazing students here. They're almost talking like big, big, big young adults, and I'm really floored. So I want to open this forum, guys. If you're watching this, 18 of you are watching this right now live with us. Please send us your questions. Any question you would have, send it right away to me. Okay, so Kiara, have you thought about writing a book ever in your life? You read so much.
Sorry, sir.
Have you ever thought about writing a book?
Oh, sir, I'm actually already writing a book.
Oh,
It's called The
really?
Diary of a 5-year-old Genius Chatterbox Who Set World
Uh-huh.
Records. And that is about me. It's my own autobiography.
It's your own autobiography. Oh my
Yes,
god! Wow, that's so sweet. So, what have you
thanks.
written about your autobiography? Tell me. I'm very curious to know about that.
Also, I shared my inspirational journey of reading.
Okay.
And also
Okay.
my grandparents, parents, their history. It's going great. The book is soon going to
Wow.
be published, actually.
Really? Wow. Do send me a copy. I would love to get a
Sure.
copy of it, read about it, and promote it.
Yes, I'll share with you also.
Anirudh, what do you think? Have you thought about writing a book?
Yes, sir. I want to do a book about how maths make our lives much easier.
Wow. That would be something close to my heart also. I'd also like to write about a book where we make maths fun and maths easy for everybody. Superb, superb, superb. I think we're going on great. There's a message from Neelam Pandey who says hello. And then there's the Madhushi Goenka who says amazing kids. And Parul just sent us a message. So much talent at a young age is truly inspiring. Absolutely. You're inspiring everybody. And you are our absolute shining star, guys. So, guys, if you're watching this live, please, please, please send us some of your questions because I've run out of all my questions right now because of the inspired talent in front of me. I'm really, really spellbound. All right. So, what kind of games do you like playing, Anirudh?
Um, favorite game, like video games or physical games.
Whatever. I mean, if you like video games, tell us about that. If you like physical games, tell us about that.
In physical games, I really love basketball and football.
Wow. Wow. And what about video games if you play that?
I don't have any favorite video games.
Not
There
even
are also
Minecraft? Yeah, like Minecraft and PUBG, and there's so many other games.
I love sometimes Fortnite.
All right, that's super. Kiara, what about you?
Sometimes I play chess with my dad,
Uh
and
huh.
also I spend so much time at home because I have attending online classes daily and other than Sunday.
Uh huh.
So I love to play outdoor games, playing hide and seek with my friends, swimming, basketball also, but
Uh huh.
also many games, swimming, playing. We also make our own games.
Wow. Wow. Like, how do you make your own game? What game did you make, Kiara?
It is great. Anything with my
Okay.
friends. Anything with my friends.
Okay. There's a message for you guys again. Really appreciate that you people are supporting such young talent. That's nice. Thank you, Kanish Kaman. And then the message, a question for Kiara. How was your experience as a TED speaker? Tell us about that.
Well, the TEDx was very awesome. I was like on the stage. I was like, oh my god. They were like four. They were. I shared my inspiration journey of reading, and there were at least like 400 people there.
Wow. So you spoke in front of 400 people?
Yes, I don't know. There was
Did you
something
get scared?
like 500. No, not at all. I'm never scared of anything.
Oh. And Anirudh, let me ask you about your hackathon journey. How was your experience at the hackathon? And you won India the gold medal, right?
Yes, sir. When my father first joined me into the hackathon, I was like, what is this? I don't understand a bit of this.
Right.
But when I was starting more and more, it was like, it's super duper easy. Even a baby could do this. And when I got a gold medal, I was like, oh, I was so
Wow. Right. I have one last, second last question for you, everybody. So, how did Vedic math help you in your journey, or did it really at all in maths or in any other field? Did really Vedic math help you?
in my in my school. I have a weekly test called arithmetic test, and there are three levels of a part of that. One is mild, which are super easy. Second is spicy, which is medium, and extra hot, which is hard. Vedic maths
Ah,
helps me extra hard, like they sometimes ask 56 times 64, which I easily do in the vertical and crosswise.
wow. And you're getting good grades right now in maths? Yes.
Well, the
You're getting
Vedic
good
math.
grades in maths right now, Anirudh?
I just started doing Vedic maths actually, and I just started. I'm at level one right now, and soon I'll be much quicker in maths.
That
And
is for sure, Kiara.
really glad my teacher Arpita was there.
Okay. Now let me come to the last question, guys. We have to wrap this up. Being so inspiring. Uh, what is the message for the world? Anirudh first. What is the message you have for the world?
I mean, just everyone needs to study maths. It will make you the most best person in the world.
Wow.
And and if you wanna be like fat, really fat, you can just do some calculations using maths. Like you have 11 meals every day, and every meal you eat 24 types of food. And using maths, you can just do 24 times 11.
Right, right. That's inspiring, Anirudh. And what about you, Kiara? What is your message for the world?
Well, I want to send this message to the whole world that they should just follow their passion and be happy about it. Like, I like reading and swimming, someone may like painting, sleeping, or anything. So, they just have to follow their passion and be happy about it. And you should not be disappointed about others that I cannot do this and I cannot do that because you are very good at this part and others are not. So you have to be happy that you have got that talent, and soon you might be very good at that talent and you might become a professional.
Wow, that is very, very profound, I must say, Kiara, that you are talking so much, which inspires and motivates everybody. And it's very, very great learning experience for me as well that you need to follow your passion. And with passion, if you make your profession, you can win the world also. So I want to hats off to these guys, people. We have Kiara, and hats off to you guys for shaping the world and making sure that I'm having goosebumps right now as I
And thank you
speak.
very much,
Because,
sir.
yes,
It
Kiara.
was lovely meeting you. It
It
was
was
lovely meeting you. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you for
And
coming on our show. And
And
it
it
was
Anirudh,
was
cool to meet you also, sir.
thank you very much, sir and Anirudh. It
thank
was
you.
lovely meeting you both.
And thank
Okay.
you, Sarah.
It was a pleasure, Kiara, having you over to our show. And Anirudh also. Thank you for
Thank you,
coming.
sir. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Absolutely. Guys, I'm floored at everybody here now. So inspiring to have Kiara and Anirudh today. Our super, super achievers on the Mahashivratri day today. May God bless each one of you. May you shine brighter and achieve all your fullest
Thank you, sir.
potential. Guys,
Thank you so very much, sir.
with this note, I have to say goodbye to Kiara and Anirudh right now. And it has been a pleasure talking to them. And isn't it so inspiring and motivating? So on that note, bye everybody. Have a great day and Mahashivratri. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. Thank you so much.